Have you ever heard of a field of study with fewer than 100 experts in the entire world? These aren't forgotten arts. They are the frontiers of knowledge, where a handful of brilliant minds are making discoveries that could change our world. Take lichenology, the study of lichens. These strange, composite organisms are not just a bit of color on a rock. They are crucial environmental indicators, natural dye sources, and even contain compounds with antibiotic properties. The few specialists in this field are unlocking secrets that could lead to new medicines and a deeper understanding of our ecosystems. Then there's the study of Hittite, an extinct language from ancient Anatolia. For a long time, we knew the Hittite Empire only from the records of their enemies. But by painstakingly deciphering their language from ancient clay tablets, a small group of scholars has resurrected an entire civilization. They've given voice to kings, poets, and ordinary people who lived over 3,000 years ago. And what about paleovirology? This is the hunt for ancient viruses, ghosts in our DNA. Experts in this field study the genetic remnants of viruses that infected our ancestors millions of years ago. Their work is not just a history lesson, it helps us understand how viruses evolve and could be the key to fighting future pandemics. From ancient languages to the building blocks of life, these niche fields show that knowledge isn't just about the big, well-known sciences. It's also built by passionate specialists working at the very edges of discovery, proving that even the smallest key can unlock the greatest door.